That's how you move a concrete pump. Hey mom! That's how you move a concrete pump. Gotta get out of the way. Everyone has to get out of the way. Pump's coming. They're moving it back to the other side. We're gonna pour the level 22 tomorrow. So we gotta get out of the way. Big pump, eh? That rope that he's holding, it's called a tug line. Is that to guide the load? Right. That means everyone has to get out of the way. Because our pump is coming. There we go. So that's the pump head for. Use that to pour the concrete. It's join on. There's all the joiner pipes that they join onto. So they've already plumbed up all the pipes from this side to the other side. As you can see, wheelie is going back to the other side to get ready to receive the pump. And yeah, so there you have it. So yeah, that's how you move the pump, and then they're gonna install it. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you, bye bye, hasta la vista, bye.